Okay, so I just wanted to go over a couple things that you guys had asked me about on the survey. Were there any non-grade related questions? I thought I'd go over those actual questions. Are there 2 dates to take the AP exam? The simple answer to that is no. I know they said there would be, but there's actually only 1 date to take it. And then there is a makeup date. However, you have to have a decent reason why you can't do it. So there's actually only 1 date that you can take the exam. Please edit the grade for my gravitational review notes as I looked in IC and resubmitted the notes. Well, now that you asked me a grade related question in a post for a non-grade related questions, no, I won't. Could we do more of these often because we need to learn how to do FAQs quickly from the AP exam, maybe 1 or 2 a week? Yes. So basically, how I'm going to be doing these next couple weeks, obviously, I think, is the schedule I sent you today or Sunday, I think, and some of you got it Monday as well, is going to be what I'm going to end up doing, requiring 2 of the 5 notes because I still think they're a good idea. Because again, remember, those notes are geared specifically towards this test and they are letting information accidentally, I'm actually assuming, leak out about the exam. So make sure you're watching those and taking notes on them, especially topics that you don't know. Um, so that's going to be how we're going to do this. We're going to probably try to do at least 1 practice test a week, and I will go over it optionally on Friday, and then also give you some FRQs to practice with. Now there may be a little tweaking here and there, but yes, I do plan to do that because you have to make sure you know how to do that stuff, and they're going to be using obviously their own network. Let's see here. I probably won't be awake for the 11 a.m. time playing Overwatch too late into the night. Congratulations. Quarantine sucks. Yeah, it's not always the best. Sorry about that. I will answer some questions that I'm sure others of you have about, let's say, the dance that you guys have to do to get a test to drop. Obviously, we're not going to do that. However, I am going to come up with a different assignment for that particular post. It's going to be something embarrassing, just like normally would, and I would drop your lowest test grade. Please understand, though, this is where some of you are going to get, unfortunately, quarantine issues had to sort of take over. Redoing your midterm is not going to be an option anymore. Very sorry for that. I know that simply because of the way they've rescheduled things to work, that is not going to be an option. So it will still drop your lowest test grade. You're going to tell me which one you want to drop, and I will drop that. But unfortunately, that's not going to be an option for many of you. To do the midterm over again, it's not going to be an option. Hopefully you're looking at those notes. They are a really good thing to do. The video's online. I am doing review sessions, well, not really review sessions, but during 10 a.m. I'm posting a link so that you can log on and join. They're for any questions you might have. Some people are logging on and logging off. You guys, I might be doing other things if no one's on there. So if you get online, shoot me a message or speak or whatever so that I know you're there if I'm not responding to you. But those are just for asking any questions, things like that you want to ask. Also, so those are going to be at 10 a.m. on Monday and Tuesday. I will try to do them on other times, obviously, but those are the days that I have set out because I do have other things, unfortunately, I have to do. There is a new schedule that's out. I'm sort of following it in a sense. I'm giving you guys the opportunity to work as you see fit, as you want to. You don't have to work on that schedule, but you can. And I am available at 10 a.m. on every Monday and Tuesday. Friday, yes, I will still be going over that practice tests, which is again voluntary, and I will be doing the review stuff on Thursdays. I may make another time for those review problems if we need to, but Friday will be just totally optional to go over that test. And you can again watch the video of it later. Let's see here. I have found out some other information. They will be doing actual review work with those College Board review sessions, and when they start doing those, I will be changing up my schedule for that. So there will be stuff like that. I highly recommend you stay with those College Board videos for review. You can, of course, do other review and ask me questions. It's best if you give me the test as well. Those of you still trying, like if you have a question on a certain problem, send it through me on Reminder, It's Learning, or show up to one of the 10 a.m. review sessions or the 10 a.m. sessions that you can ask me questions. Or on the other review sessions, just wait till we're done and then you can talk to me then about other stuff. But it's helpful if I have the question, especially ahead of time. If it's an FRQ, sometimes I may need a second or two or a minute or two to think about it. I can't just solve it on the fly. So that is always helpful. Some of you are still trying to turn things in through email. Don't know why. Doesn't work. You can't turn things in through email, Remind, or It's Learning. I will be making another post about fixing your grades. I'll leave that one open a little bit longer. But again, those are going to close simply because I want to be able to do them and close them off, and I can open up another one. If you're having issues with grades, you need to look for the correct spot to do that. If you're asking me about grades in an area where I've said this is not about grades, well, it just fell on deaf ears. Again, please let me know if there's anything else I can do. I hope everything's going well. I hope you had a great spring break. I know I pretty much unplugged, which was kind of nice. So let me know and have a great day.